Hello everyone, this is Samsung Soundbar HW-B450. It's a 2.0 channel soundbar, 40 watts with 4 speakers and subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to do factory reset, how to reset this soundbar. This gear is currently connected to this TV via Bluetooth. I'm going to show you. If you select the gear button for your TV, then scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us Bluetooth. So this is currently connected via Bluetooth. Now what I want us to do is to reset this soundbar, and once you reset it, it will disconnect from the TV. What you need to do is you need to press and hold the plus and minus button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Start the factory reset.
You will hear start the factory reset. And
the factory reset is complete.
And it's disconnected. If you look on the TV, it will show you the sound out is showing us TV speaker. And it will switch off the sound bar so that you can go back and reconnect it. So if you want to reconnect it again via Bluetooth, for example, then you switch the sound bar on, then select Bluetooth again.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
It will tell you ready to connect via Bluetooth so that you can reconnect it. If you want to connect it back to Bluetooth, then you go to your TV settings. If you go to the TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. Select on the sound out, scroll to the side, Bluetooth device, scroll down to device list, select enter, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Then you select B series, select connect device. To the right, it's connected. Select Control R. So it's now connected back. Select Control R. So this is how to start on the right. If you are doing reset it. To reset it, press plus and minus. Creative to school.
Start the factory reset.
And now
the factory reset is complete.
It will switch off the sound bar and also disconnect it from the TV. So this is how to reset this sound bar. Thank you very much indeed.